Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be going over this Hart impact driver. This is model HPID02. So we're just going to be showing you the tool features of this impact, and then we're going to be doing a quick demonstration, just driving in a couple screws on a scrap 2x that I have here. So I'm going to put a link in the description on where you could pick up this impact if you don't already own it. And then I'm also going to be putting links on where you could pick up some high quality driver bit sets, and then also an attachment that basically turns this into a drill. It just goes in and then you could actually put normal drill bits into it. I have a lot of questions on my other videos, my other impact driver videos, on whether or not that's a thing, and they do make an attachment. So be sure to check the description and you'll see the link for that, along with driver bits and then also this tool itself. So we're just gonna go over this real quick. There's not much to this. We'll first show you how to install the battery. So you can see here we have our battery indicator light, full charge, and we're just going to line up this groove here with these grooves right here. And then we're just going to slide it in until we hear it click into place. Okay, so now we have power to our driver. And moving up the tool, here's our trigger. And then if we push the button in on this side, that's going to put the driver into forward. And if we push it in on this side, that's going to put the driver into reverse. And then if we kind of just press it halfway between both, you can see there it's halfway between. That puts it into kind of a safety mode where it locks the trigger here. It makes it so that you can't, start it accidentally. And this is great if you're, transporting it, or you're, it's in your car or on your tool belt or whatever. But I also always recommend, whenever you're not using it, just pull the battery out, and that way you don't have any accidental turn-ons and no accidents. Okay, so we'll put it back in. We have it in forward, and then you can see when you pull the trigger, you have a little work light that comes on. Okay, so we'll show you how to actually install a driver bit now. You can see we're just going to use the one that comes with it on the back here. This is just a Phillips. Now on a lot of drivers, you could just push this straight in and it'll lock into place. On this one in particular, you cannot do that. You have to actually put it in and then lift up this black ring, and you'll see it go down more. Okay, so now it's locked into place. And then to remove it, same thing, you just pull this up, pull it right out. Okay, so we have our Phillips driver bit inserted. And a lot of these drivers, this is a brushed tool, so you can see here, when I pull the trigger, you're gonna see some sparks going off in there. So that's a brushed tool. Brushed tools are generally cheaper than the brushless models. A lot of the brushless models have like a bunch of different speeds you could set it to, and they're generally more powerful. But if you're just your average everyday homeowner who's going to use this a couple times a year, then this is going to work great for you, and it's going to save you a lot of money as well. Okay, so we have our scrap 2x here, and we're just going to demonstrate setting a couple screws, see how powerful this thing is. Because like I said, there is no, my DeWalt impact has 3 speeds on it, but like I said, that's a brushed tool. So this brushless one only has 1 speed. So we're going to make sure we're in forward. And then we're just going to set it, and we're going to see how, I'm not going to go all the way down because I'm pretty sure this is going to go down into my workbench. So we'll go down about 3/4 of the way and see how long it takes. Okay. Then we'll do it again with a different screw. Again, we're in forward here. Okay, that one's longer, so I'm going to stop that one up a little bit higher. Okay, and then to remove it, we're going to press that in. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it has plenty of power. You know, it's going to get the job done for pretty much whatever you're doing. This is going into a raw 2x, you know, so it definitely has enough power for whatever you're looking to do. And the price is, you know, substantially lower than a brushless tool. This impact driver goes for $60. This tool goes for. So, you know, it's a lot cheaper than if you were to buy a brushless impact driver. And, you know, like I said, if you're not a professional that's going to be using this every single day on a construction site or something, then highly recommend something along this line. So yeah, guys, make sure you reach out in the comments if you have any questions on this, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like I said, be sure to check the video description on where you can pick up this tool, and also where you could pick up a driver bit set that has all different types of driver bits. And I'll even put a link for a drill bit set along with that attachment that I was talking about that turns this pretty much into a drill. So be sure to check those links. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, and check out all my other tool and DIY videos. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.